Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we're bringing you the full tutorial of the Threads application, right from signing up and downloading the application to deactivating your account and deleting it. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then you will want to open up the iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, then just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Once you open up the Google Play Store, just go ahead and search for Threads on the search box. Once you find the application, you can simply tap on the Install button and wait for the installation to complete. When the installation is completed, you will see the Open button. Just go ahead and tap on it, and this will open up the Threads application. So if you have your Instagram account, you can simply tap on this button and you will now be asked to set up your profile. You can edit your name, your bio, and your link, or you can tap on Import from Instagram and then tap on the Continue button. Then you will be asked to select between a public and private profile. Just go ahead and make your choice and tap on the Continue button. Now you can start following your friends and then tap on the arrow button at the top right corner and then just tap on Join Threads and you will be signed up and ready to go with your Threads account. Now in order to create your very first thread, tap on the right button at the very middle at the bottom section. And then you can simply type in your very first thread post. You can set the privacy by tapping on the Anyone Can Reply section at the bottom left corner. From here you can choose whether everyone can reply by selecting the first option. If you select the second option, only those profiles that you follow will be able to reply to your post. Finally, if you choose the third option, only those that you directly mention in your thread will be able to reply. You can also tap on the attachment button to add any picture or video from your gallery. If you want to extend your thread, you can simply tap on the Add to Thread button and you will be able to elongate your thread. Once you're done typing, you can tap on the Post button and this will post your very first message on Threads. To find all of your friends more easily, just tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the menu icon at the top right. Now you can tap on Follow and Invite Friends. From here, you can follow all of the accounts that are connected with your Instagram account by tapping on Follow Accounts from Instagram. From here, you can simply follow all of your friends that are within your Instagram account. Tap on Follow All to follow everyone. You can also filter through the list and follow your Instagram friends individually. Once you have followed everyone that you want to, tap on the Done button. You can tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here, you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner to access the settings. Now, from the settings page, you can tap on Follow and Invite Friends. Now, there are 4 different options to invite your friends on Threads. You can either invite your friends through WhatsApp, SMS, email, or by simply copying a note. So just go ahead and tap on any of your desired options. Once you select your desired invitation method, you can simply add anyone you wish. You can simply add anyone you wish on your invitation and send it in a tap of a button. Now, from the application homepage, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then you can access the language menu by tapping on it. Now from the languages menu, you can simply use the search box to search for your desired language. Now since not all languages are supported with Threads application right now, you can look at all of the languages that are currently supported. Simply tap on the language that you desire on the application, and this will immediately make the desired changes. You can go back into the language menu and select any language you prefer at any time. When you create your Threads profile at the very beginning, you will be asked whether you want to create a public profile or make your profile private. If you chose a public profile back then, well, you can still change it back to private. Just go ahead and open up the Threads application first, and then tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner. Now from this page, you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and this will open up the settings page. Now from the settings page, just tap on privacy. This will then open up the privacy page. From here, you can simply toggle on the private profile button and you will be asked whether you want to switch to a private account. Tap on the OK button and your account will be made private. In order to change your profile picture, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from the profile page, just tap on Edit Profile. From this page, you can tap on your profile picture and then you have three options. You can either remove your current picture by selecting the last option. You can also import from Instagram by tapping on the second option. Finally, you can upload a new profile picture by tapping on New Profile Picture. Then simply select your desired profile picture and then tap on the top right arrow button. You can then select from various filters. After making your desired edit, you can tap on the arrow button once again at the top right. Finally, tap on the Done button and your profile picture change will be saved. Now, as of now, you are very clear that Threads is an application that links with your Instagram account. So if you want to change the password of your Threads account, you will need to change the password of your Instagram account as well. So in order to do this, just go ahead and open up the Threads application first. Now from the application homepage, just tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on Account. From the account page, just tap on Security and this will redirect you into the Meta Password and Security option page. You can simply tap on Change Password and then select which account you want to change your password for. Now, since Threads works with Instagram, you will need to select Instagram. Finally, now you can type your current password followed by your new password and then type it in once again to confirm it, and then tap on the Change Password button at the very bottom to finalize your password change. First of all, when you sign up for the first time on Threads, you will be allowed to edit your profile. But if you want to edit your profile after you have signed up, then just go ahead and open up the Threads application first. Now just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. You will now be able to see the Edit Profile button. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be able to edit your profile. From here, you can change your profile picture by tapping on the profile picture icon. You can either import your picture from Instagram or remove the current picture or upload a new one by tapping on New Profile Picture. To edit anything else, you will need to edit all of your information on Instagram. So go back and tap on the Instagram icon at the top right corner. This will now open up your Instagram page. Now from your Instagram account page, tap on the Edit Profile button and now you can go ahead and make any changes to your profile and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner to save your changes. Once you save your changes, all of the changes in your profile will also be made on the Threads application. Now, as we know that the Threads application is completely linked with our Instagram account, this means that when we sign up or log in to Threads, we will receive a badge automatically on our Instagram account. So if you haven't downloaded or signed up to Threads, first of all, go ahead and download the Threads application from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Then simply tap on Open and proceed with logging in using your Instagram account. Now, as soon as you set up your profile, go ahead and check in with your Instagram application. Open up the Instagram application and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. As soon as you do this, you will be able to see your Threads badge number underneath your profile picture. This number indicates your position amongst all of the members that are in the Threads application. If you wish to hide your badge, just tap on the badge, and from there you can either view your Threads profile or hide the badge by tapping on Hide Badge. Just tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and you will be taken into the account menu. Now, in order to log out, just tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Now from here, you will see the logout button at the very bottom. Just tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out. tap on the logout button once again, and this will start logging you out from the Threads application. And in order to log back in, you can simply tap on Login with Instagram once again, and this will log you back into your account. Now from the home page, just tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner. Now from here, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then tap on Account. Now from this page, you can see the Deactivate Profile button. Just tap on it, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to deactivate your Threads profile. You will also be reminded that deactivating your profile is just temporary, and everything connected to your profile will be hidden until you reactivate by logging back in. Now you can tap on the Deactivate Threads profile, and this will deactivate your account. Also, this will have no effect on your Instagram account. So just tap on this button and proceed with the given instructions to deactivate your Threads account. Now from the application homepage, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Then from the profile menu, tap on the menu icon at the top right. Then tap on Account, and this will take you into the account settings page. If you tap on Deactivate Profile, you will only be able to deactivate your account, but your account will still remain, and you will be able to access it once you log back in. In order to delete your account completely, you will need to delete your Instagram account in order to completely delete your Threads account. So just go back to your profile page and tap on the Instagram account at the top right corner. This will now take you into the Instagram settings page. Just tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then you can tap on Settings and Privacy. Now just tap on Account Center, and then from the Account Center page, tap on the Accounts button. Now you can simply tap on the Remove button at the right side of your Instagram account, and this will delete your Instagram account as well as your Threads account. If you only want to delete your Threads account, then you will simply need to deactivate it from the Account section. Tap on Deactivate Profile, and then proceed with deactivating your Threads profile. Now there are two ways of doing this. You can either go ahead and open up the iOS App Store or your Google Play Store on your smartphone and search for the Threads application. Once you find the application, you will find the Uninstall button. You can simply tap on this, and this will start the deletion of the Threads application on your smartphone. Alternatively, you can go into your phone settings and then go into Applications. You can then look for the Threads application and tap on it, and then tap on the Uninstall button at the very bottom in order to uninstall the application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.